In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a Facebook profile that has some issues. First, open your web browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type, "How to fix Facebook profile has some issues." Then press Enter. We're using Google here because Facebook's own help pages and community answers are often easier to find through a web search than by clicking around inside the app. Once the results load, look for links that clearly come from official Facebook sources, like the Facebook Help Center. These are usually the most reliable, up-to-date references for understanding what profile has some issues might mean in your specific case. Go ahead and click one of those official-looking results. On the Help page, take a moment to read through the explanation. Facebook normally flags a profile as having issues when something doesn't follow their guidelines or security checks. This can be anything from unusual activity and missing information, to a name that doesn't match their rules, or content that may violate community standards. Understanding the reason is important, because the steps to fix it will depend on what Facebook has detected. As you scroll, you'll often see common troubleshooting paths. One of the first things they may ask you to do is review recent activity. If you see anything you don't recognize, such as messages or posts you didn't create, that can be a sign of suspicious access. In that case, Facebook will usually guide you to secure your account by changing your password and logging out of other devices. Follow those prompts carefully if they appear. If the issue is about your profile information, like your name, birthday, or profile picture, look for a section explaining what Facebook requires. Then, switch over to your Facebook account in another tab. Go to your profile, and make sure your details are accurate and complete. Save any changes and give it a little time for Facebook to recheck your profile. Sometimes, Facebook will show a specific message in your account with a button to continue or get started. That will walk you through a short review, which might include confirming your email or phone, or uploading a document to verify your identity. Only provide information through Facebook's official interface, and make sure the web address starts with facebook.com before you submit anything. Finally, once you've followed the guidance from the help article and completed any checks or updates inside Facebook, wait and periodically refresh your profile. In many cases, the profile has some issues notice will clear automatically once everything looks good on Facebook's end.